Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to define load patterns in Etabs. First, go to Define, click on Load Patterns. It's open a new window, and we have two different type of load as a default of program. And in our building, we have super dead load and earthquake in both direction. Also, we have wind load. So we have to define all loads that we have. Super dead, I'm typing SD, and the type is super dead. Add a new load. Click add a new load, and write typing EQ in X, earthquake in X direction. The type is load is seismic, and autolateral load. Click on ASCE 716. Add a new load. In Y direction, we have the same. Add a new load, and we have wind load. The type is load is wind. The code is ASCE 716. Add a new load. That's done. Also, before we have done, we have to modify the lateral loads. Seismic load, these buildings that we have, the location is in Erbil, Kurdistan, Iraq, and we modify lateral loads. It's X direction, and we unclick on these three boxes Y direction. The seismic coefficient for Erbil is equal to 0.6 for SS, and S1 equal to 0.2. Site class equal to C, and response modification is equal to 5. Also, omega equal to 2.5. CD equal to 4.5 according to Iraqi seismic code, and the time period function equal to 0.016, and story range, the bottom is base and top story for seismic loads is story 20. Click on OK, and in Y direction is the same, just we have to change the direction to Y, and all parameters is equal 0.2. The site class equal to C, and R equal to 5, 2.5, 4.5. The function is equal 0.016. Click on OK. Also, the last load we have is wind load, modify lateral load, the exposure and pressure coefficients, exposure from frame and shields object, and include shields object, include frame object open structure. Wind speed equal to 18.5, and exposure type equal to C, ground elevation factor 1, KZT, its topographical factor equal 1, guest factor is all the default of the program, and click on OK, then click on OK. That's how to define load patterns for our buildings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.